country.
India is my country.
All Indians, sir.
All Indians, sir.
My brothers and sisters.
My brothers and sisters.
I love my country.
I love my country.
And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. India will be and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. Today's state and sports news is brought to you by Ragini. Hyderabad Education System. The University of London is planning a campus in Hyderabad to strengthen the city's position of the education research hub. Sports news. India announced its 12 members men's Kabaddi squad for 2026 Asian Games, featuring the Pavan Kumar Sharavat, Devang Dalal and Ayan. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead. Today's weather forecast is brought to you by Kushmita. Maximum temperature 33 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 24 degrees Celsius, wind speed 30 to 40 km per hour. Air quality is good. Thank you. Today's thought is brought to you by Case History. Black color is sentimentally bad, but every blackboard makes the student's life bright. I repeat it again. Black color is sentimentally bad, but every blackboard makes the student's life bright. Thank you. Today's word is brought to you by Midna. Steadfastness. The one who stays right even the whole world is difficult. I will repeat it once again. The one who stays right even the whole world is difficult. Friends, please spell after me. Steadfastness. S-T E-A-D F-A-S-T-N-E-S-S. Thank you.
My name is Hasini and I am here to tell few words about English. English is a global to communicate globally and meet people from different countries. We can improve our English skills by reading books, learning new words and practicing daily. So let us practice English daily. Every new word we learn makes us more confident. Thank you.
Today's GK questions are brought to you by Case History. Question for grade 7. Which Indian scientist discovered the phenomenon known as Raman effect? Sorry, you did not pick the right answer and the answer is C.V. Raman. Question for grade 8. Which river is known as the Sangpo river in Tibet? I repeat it again. Which river is known as the Sangpo river in Tibet? Sorry, you did not pick the right answer and the answer is Brahmaputra. Question for grade 9. Who is the writer of the poem called I Cannot Remember My Mother? Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is Rabindranath Tagore. Let us appreciate this. Question for grade 10. What is the meaning of the idiom once in a blue moon? I repeat it again. What is the meaning of the idiom once in a blue moon? Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is something happens rarely. Let us appreciate this. Open question number 1. What is the synonym of magnificent? I repeat it again. What is the synonym of magnificent? Sorry, you did not pick the right answer and the answer is grand. Open question number 2. What is the antonym of word generous? Antonym of word generous. Antonym. Sorry, you did not pick the right answer and the answer is selfish. Thank you and have a marvelous Monday ahead.
Good morning everyone. Today's activity is conducted by Grade 9 Topaz. Activity is behavior. Swati.
Hi Anshuja.
Swati, why are you swinging this chair? You might get hurt.
Yes Anshuja, I was about to fall down. You have saved me. Thank you Anshuja.
It's okay Swati, but be careful next time.
Okay Anshuja.
Hey Upasana, why are you doing like that? Why are you pulling her hair? She's about to fall down. She might get pain.
Oh, I'm sorry Ragini. It's okay Upasana.
I have drawing book.
Hey Swati, what are you doing?
Yes, sir. Yes, Swati, she's right. You should not snatch the belongings of others in that manner. Instead, ask for their permission.
Okay, Upasana and Ragini. Next time I'll not repeat it. If I want, I'll take their permission and I'll take it. Ansuja, sorry Ansuja, take your book.
It's okay, Swati. You can check my drawings.
Thank you, Ansuja. Oh no, Upasana, what you are eating? It is harmful for your health.
Yes, Upasana, she is right. Even if you are eating the junk food, should not throw the wrapper down because it is very harmful for our economic soil and our mother earth. And also it is very harmful for your health. So avoid the junk food.
Sorry, Swati and Ragini. Next time I'll try to avoid junk food.
So friends, this was the small effort from our side to showcase the importance of positive behavior and behavior balance. Thank you for giving this opportunity and shining off Grade 9 Topaz.